What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about an interesting penny stock investment opportunity. This is a high risk, high reward play, so depending on your risk tolerance, you may or may not want to take the chance here. But this stock has a really interesting history. They recently just won a case against Apple, which could prove to be quite substantial in terms of the future revenues going forward, but I'll touch upon that later in the video. First, let's talk a little about what this company actually does. VirnetX is an internet security software and technology company based in Nevada. VirnetX has been described as being a patent troll, accused of marketing no actual products or services and instead of earning its revenue through licensing patents and suing anyone that infringes them. Listen, big companies generally think they can get away with taking advantage of smaller businesses, so personally, it's great to see some justice every once in a while. It could be true that VirnetX could end up being a patent troll, but what's wrong with suing a company that infringes on their patents? No matter how you look at the situation, the potential upside on this penny stock seems substantial, at least on the surface. According to this article on Motley Fool, analysts have a price target of $36 per share. That is a huge jump from where the share price is currently trading, which is around $6 to $7. And the $36 price target is nothing compared to the price target of $909 according to Simply Wall Street. I'm not too sure how they've come up to this fair value, to be honest. Seems a bit ridiculous, but however you look at the stock, it seems like it's massively undervalued. Now let's talk a bit about the case that they've just won against Apple. The latest news surrounding VirnetX has to do with its recent verdict against Apple. For more than a decade, VirnetX has alleged that Apple has violated patents regarding secure network technology. A federal district court in November 2020 awarded more than $500 million to VirnetX, adding to a $440 million win earlier that year in September. Not only this, but the district court granted VirnetX's motion for pre-trial and post-trial interest, supplemental damages, costs, and ongoing royalty of a rate set at 84 cents per infringing iPhone, iPad, and Mac products. It's also interesting to see that BlackRock and Vanguard are amongst the top shareholders in this company. Next, when we take a look at their balance sheet, we can see that they're currently debt-free, which is great. Now, what's the bottom line here and what am I doing? Well, let's just say that the legal process is long and Apple continues to fight it. If the victory is eventually finalized though, it could mean a big infusion of cash for VirnetX and a massive boost to the share price. This stock is currently on my watch list and I might start a position here and just forget about it because it could go either way. It has a huge upside potential, but it could take another year or two before anything major happens. Anyways guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.